So that's Toyota badge, right? So this is a Toyota Hilux radar 2.7, and it's got a petrol booster big engine. This white bumper, you see this white bumper here? This white bumper is going to be removed. And you see this boot bar, this thing here that comes with it factory, this is also going, as well as this tow bar right here. Going, it's gone. Okay. Right? New bumper will take over this whole place. You're then going to cut a nice big hole right here, like a nice big hole. You're going to get a snorkel. You're going to drill 2 more holes here for an L bracket. Snorkel head's going to sit there. Roof rack, those ugly ass bars there, sorry I'm swearing in the video, are going to disappear.
I don't think ass is a swear word.
Those bars are going to disappear and they're going to put better bars on.
Okay.
And oh yeah, see these things? I'm going to take these off. They're just held up with pop rivets, if you want to look at the pop rivets.
So you're just going to unscrew that?
See these here? Oh, these ones have bolts. Yeah, some of them have pop rivets, some of them have bolts. Undo these, take it off, sand it down, re-spray paint it black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I know the other plans is you'll see there's a few places with rust. Which
a few places, you're talking about like quite a few places. There. Don't look at the back of the tailgate. That's where you'll see the most rust. Look at that.
Yeah, this is quite bad. You'll see there was like some stickers over here, which we already started removing. Monster stickers.
Late game is bringing the spare wheel from underneath up here to the back, and obviously a canopy. But that's after the first basic modifications are done. We've already got some nice seat covers.
Yeah, it's escape gear seat covers, pretty good quality.
This will come out. Your center thing, we're gonna put a nice center fridge in there.
Yeah.
Gonna put some nice sound, a better radio in there maybe.
Also gonna put a cover over here, and then we'll also be putting up a new lining inside here. And then if we're in a mood to tackle it, we'll probably also remove this and put new lining in there as well. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
basically. Do you have a name for the car yet?
No, I do not.
With the people that comment,
I do not.
Name the car for you.
We did do one basic. We changed the lights already. We put some H4 LEDs in, so they look much better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me turn them on for you. The very first cheap mod you can do straight away out of the box. Boom.
Turn the other light on. There we go. Yeah.
And then eventually some better sidebars, because those will probably fall off on the very first track you do. So we're going to Benoni. I'm joking. We're going to go and fit the snorkel, and I don't know what else.
What do you mean? Are you not doing
As in, I don't know what else is all on the plan. It depends on how the day goes. Snorkel's the main goal. So at this point, you're supposed to cut the template out, not tear it apart like Dean's so nicely doing here. And then you have to align the template's guidelines to the fender and tape it up nice and firmly so it doesn't move when you do your next steps. Gonna make sure it's aligned perfectly, yeah?
Yeah, make sure it's aligned perfectly with the top there.
It's pretty difficult when the lighting's so shit.
I'm so sorry, you get it nice.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There goes the fender forever. I wanted to drop. Some kick-ass fender, this, huh? I'm worried about the when you know when you push and then it.
That part. That's fine.
Yeah, no, just checking. We are definitely not professionals at this, so please don't take this as a how-to or a tutorial on how to get it done. Or not. No, it's not.
No, it's not even
It's through on this side.
I'm just thinking, should we start with this hole? Because now,
Yeah, to get this line going so long, because to cut this with nothing on this
wait,
side.
I'm just thinking, because if we cut this, right, then it'll be through, where does that, oh no, that's gonna go all the way through to
that hole, yeah.
That's looking good. Okay. Now it's time to remove the fender line.
We don't need this top piece to come off, do we?
Yeah, you're gonna need to, what you're
You
gonna
get
have
the
to
bottom
do,
one down.
loosen
This
this
here.
first clamp.
Yeah.
Right,
Take it
so
off,
this can come, lie down flat, don't undo the sensor.
Yeah. Fit. Okay, she's out there.
What are you doing now?
In the fender line now.
Is this to get to the pipe?
To get to that pipe inside there. That very nice looking pipe.
Oh. Okay, go down.
Yeah, it's not gonna come out, it's gonna sit there now. Hide in the way.
Okay, that's fine.
Put some water down. Because of the angle.
Pull this neck. This into the seal. There you go.
Take it out of the way.
Right, pull the bottom. There we go. Just has to sit like that.
Yeah, but I'm just doing push out water though.
Hmm? You just put your finger in it the whole time.
Fingers one, bro. I'm gonna wash my hands while I'm down here.
So why are you guys doing this? Like
Get
what?
to this final
Just to get to the bulk.
tab thing here. Basically, we're gonna take some little cotton. We're gonna put it in these holes. Take some nail varnish. Put it on the tip so that when we push it against the body, it's gonna leave a nice little mark,
Red mark.
where we can drill the hole.
He calls it a cherry kiss. That's what he calls his method.
So since it's your snorkel, I'm giving.
Wait, show me how to do one. I don't know how you...
Oh, you're just taking a little bit of cotton.
That's not a little bit, that's a lot.
Yeah, you want to fill the hole a little bit. You want to push it in. Okay, so it's just sticking up. You see there, it's sticking up a little bit.
Hmm.
And you take your nail varnish.
Just boss.
Well, enough to
Like
leave
the
a
whole
mark.
thing or just like a center?
The center. Because we want a centered piece.
So like that?
Yeah. But it must be enough so that it's not gonna just absorb into
Bro,
the wall.
you're telling this to the wrong person. I'll put more on.
It's already dry. You're too slow.
This
Oh,
one's
you
not
just-
staying, Dean. That's the one you touched last, by the way.
It's fine, it's in the middle of the snorkel. We can drill the hole to like 14 mils.
Pretty difficult.
Okay, so what we'll do,
Feed it in.
feed it in, make sure it doesn't hit the hole yet. I need to line up this with the A-pillar.
Okay, we need to bring it more forward.
Move forward,
Okay.
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 And clear there, wait. There.
Send it. Now to reveal.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we're
Oh,
fuck
look
smart.
at that.
We gotta underline those two. Huh?
Thank goodness you did that because the template clearly is off.
Yeah, I need to try and find the middle of each of these pink things.
Yes.
We'll start with,
That one.
you reckon, right there.
Yeah, that looks about right.
Boink!
That's quite cool.
Right there, Dean.
Yeah.
Boink!
Give it a love tap. Boink. And boink. That one. That's 8. Woo. There you go. Stop it from rusting.
It acts like a nut, but it's not. You have to drill it out if you want it out. It's a nice finish look, instead of something sticking up.
There the snorkel is fully installed. It was not a quick installation. It took us the entire day to do. And then if you really want to make sure your snorkel is working, you can put a piece of paper in front of it and rev the engine to make sure that it is sticking.
So we also decided to replace the lights from the left one to the right one. And it was a pretty quick installation because the wiring and everything was there. It was just more of replacing the switch and making the new one fit on the bumper. So basically done for the day, and snorkel's on, torsion bars have been loosened, so you can go over speed bumps now, nice and fast. Not that you should, but yeah. And talking about torsion, look how much I'm bouncing. Oh, so Monday we're picking up a ARB bumper that was involved in an accident. So, and see how that fits this car. It's for this car, it's on a car like this, it's just buggered. Well, it's not buggered, only the bars at the top are buggered, so either going to take those off and put new ones, or cut them off and keep it as a bikini style. And then new bumper coming soon, side arches being blackened soon, and those are the current like near future projects happening, and then from there onwards we'll take it from there.
Cool.